Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 10th November 2025. So my throat is not really good, so I will try to minimize the commentary today. So stocks near daily demand zone. Six stocks we got. High liquidity zones, two stocks we got. Next, stocks near daily supply zone. We got 11 stocks. High liquidity zones, supply zones. Pierced one. This is also pierced. Next 75 minutes time frame. Stocks near 75 minutes demand zone. 14 stocks we got. High liquidity zones. This is the one. Second, third, 4 stocks we got. Next, stocks near 75 minutes supply zone. We got 7 stocks. High liquidity zones. This is a pierced zone, supply zones. So 1 stock we got. Okay, this is stocks near daily and 75 minutes. Next, I'll generate Nifty and Nifty supply demand zone. Generating monthly supply demand zone chain for Nifty. Next, generating a weekly supply demand zone chain for Nifty. Next, generating daily supply demand zone chain for Nifty. Next, 125 minutes supply demand zone chain for Nifty. "75 minutes supply demand zone chain for Nifty. Next, 25 minutes supply demand zone chain. Next, 15 minutes supply demand zone chain. Next, 5 minutes supply demand zone chain for Nifty. So this is Nifty supply demand zone chain. Next, BANKNIFTY supply demand zone chain, Nifty Bank. So monthly report for BANKNIFTY. BANKNIFTY weekly report. Next, BANKNIFTY daily report. BANKNIFTY 125 minutes report. Next, 75 minutes chain, supply demand zone chain. "25 minutes report. "15 minutes report for BANKNIFTY. "5 minutes report. Okay, next sideways long trade setup for daily income trade. Sideways long trade setup. Next monthly income trade, sideways short trade setup. Next bullish trade setup, monthly income trade. First 18 stocks in the list. Total 28 stocks. So let's filter based on the first strategy. How to find high probability trade setup zones. Daily and weekly demand zone confluence, and then EMA confluence at weekly time frame with weekly demand zone. So these are the high probability trade setup daily demand zones. Lesson 20 checklist items should satisfy. Next, as per the second strategy, daily and weekly, daily and monthly, weekly and monthly demand zone confluence. Also EMA, monthly demand zone with monthly EMA. Trend on the monthly should not be sideways, it should be uptrend. So we got 3 stocks as per the second strategy. Okay, next bearish trade setup for daily income trade, daily supply zone, bearish. So we got 3 stocks. Okay, next weekly income trade, sideways long trade setup, 75 minutes demand zone, sideways long, we got 7 stocks, sideways long trade setup. Next sideways short trade setup for weekly income trade. We got 1 stock. Next bullish trade setup for weekly income trade. We got 17 stocks. Let's further filter based on 2 different strategies. First strategy, to find high probability zones, 75 minutes and daily demand zone confluence, and a daily demand zone with daily EMA confluence. We got 9 stocks. Next high probability zones based on the second strategy I am filtering. 3 filters I have to set. Weekly demand zone with weekly EMA. Trend on the weekly should be uptrend. So we got 6 stocks. Okay, this is bullish trade setup weekly income trade. Next bearish trade setup weekly, 75 minutes supply zone, bearish, pierced count, so we got 3 stocks. Next, daily income trade, sideways long trade setup, 15 minutes demand zone, sideways long, pierced count for 15 minutes demand zone, should not be pierced. So we got 5 stocks. Sideways long trade setup for daily income trade. Next, sideways short trade setup, daily income trade, 15 minutes supply zone, sideways short, minimum. So we got 4 stocks. Next, bullish trade setup for daily income trade, 15 minutes demand zone, bullish, minimum odd enhanced score 12. 14 stocks we got. Let's identify high probability trade setup, the 15 minutes demand zones with 2 strategies. First strategy, 15 minutes and 75 minutes demand zone, and then EMA 75 minutes demand zone with daily EMA confluence. As per the first strategy, we got these 4 high probability trade setup, 15 minutes demand zones. Next, as per the second strategy, demand zone 3 filters we have to set, 15 minutes and daily, 75 minutes and daily. Again we have to filter based on EMA confluence at daily demand zone with daily EMA. Trend on the daily should not be sideways, it should be uptrend. We got 2 stocks. Next, bearish trade setup, daily income trade, 15 minutes supply zone, bearish, bearish trade setup for daily income trade. Okay, high probability trade setup, 15 minutes demand zones we will identify using first strategy. (15 minutes and 75 minutes supply zone confluence, EMA confluence at 75 minutes supply zone with daily EMA confluence. We got 4 stocks. Okay, next, high probability zones based on the second strategy we have to filter. Three filters we have to set. With all the 3 filters, and also EMA confluence at daily supply zone with daily EMA confluence, and also trend on the daily should not be sideways, it should be downtrend. Bearish trade setup. We got 1 stock as per the second strategy. So this is a daily income trade. Next, stocks near demand and supply zone, only 125 minutes I will generate today. Stocks near 125 minutes demand zone. Next, stocks near 125 minutes supply zone. Final report, I will generate stop buffers based on daily ATR. scrolling the list down, whichever the stock you want to refer, pause the video. After that you proceed further. So this is the end of the report. So let's all meet again in our next video. Thank you.